Is this microwave safe?
Yes.
Sweet. So...
What's going on over here then,
I
team?
think it... No.
What does P mean? Is it power?
Oh, I don't know.
See?
Can you cut this out?
No.
That's the time.
Yeah. Defrost, def 1.
No, but
I
it's
don't
not
know the difference between def 1 and def 2. Oh, that's it. Then you turn this straight
Right.
away,
What are we
right?
turning, Meg?
Oh, did we do it?
It's not. It doesn't need defrosting.
Oh, yeah, it doesn't. Can you please cut this out?
No.
When all else
I
fails.
don't
Turn it
know
off and
what
on
they
again.
are doing. But they seem to be making quite the pig's ear out of warming up these enchiladas.
Cancel. Cancel.
Just switch it
There we
off
go.
and-
Oh, there we go.
okay.
There we go. Right, can you get this on camera? I did it.
Look,
Oh,
we've got it
right,
working.
okay.
Yeah.
So we're upgrading the plate. I feel like it doesn't need 3 minutes.